Living foods, apples. Good day, Sister VegaNata here. Today, while in the produce department of the grocery store, I saw an array of apples and I was pleasantly surprised at the variety. There was such an abundance. The surplus even made the apples more affordable. In some cases, the apples were under $1 a pound. Some people like to buy their apples by the pound so that they can select them one at a time and do their own inspection. But I saw bags up to 5 pounds that were under $8, about $1.60 a pound. Now, apples are pretty ordinary in the grand scheme of fruit. However, they're very much packed with fiber, antioxidants, as well as distilled water. The combination of those help with heart health, along with keeping you full, but most importantly helps with digestion. Now, there are different types of apples. Your tart apples, like your Granny Smith, they're filled with a little bit more malic acid. Some of your sweeter apples with more natural sugar, like your Fuji apple or even your Gala apple, those natural sugars are built into the apple. Now, for those of you who are concerned about how much sugar, apples are very low on the glycemic index, ranging between about 28 to 44, which is very low. Apples can be as simple or versatile as you like. You can simply eat a freshly washed apple raw with the skin. The power is in the skin. You can use apples in a pie. You can make its own sauce. You can even dry your apples. Some people add an apple to their smoothie as a sweetener. If you're juicing your vegetables, try adding an apple to enhance its flavor, or even as a sweetener. Apples can be put in your fruit salad or a vegetable salad. They can be added to a vegetable salad to add some added crunch, or even as a sweetener. You can even enhance some flavor if you have some bitter or earthy vegetables. The great thing about apples with a salad is that they have natural enzymes that help with pre-digestion of the vegetables. They really make a really good team and they pack a punch. Now, with respect to apples, they're actually grown in 90 different countries. In the United States, most known for its Red Delicious, along with its Gala apple and the Cosmic Crisp. Now today I thought I would do a demonstration on an apple snack. I'm going to cut a freshly washed apple. This is a Fuji apple, one of my favorites. And I'm going to just place each slice cut up in a bowl. I will leave an affiliate link for the apple slicer and core in the description of this video. And with that, I'd be curious to know in the comments, what's your favorite apple? Or if you don't like apples, what's your favorite fruit that you like? So once we cut this all up in our bowl, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cinnamon over on top of our Fuji apple. And then I'm going to put some almond butter along the top of that. Let that drizzle over the top. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of walnuts over the apples and about a tablespoon of raisins. We're going to stir that for our snack. Thank you for joining me. If you like this content, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Bon appetit. Thank you. Take care and God bless.